If a tax amount isn't what you expected, troubleshoot your transaction to find and resolve the problem. To get started, go to the Transactions page. Use filters to find a specific transaction. If you notice an unexpected tax amount, open the transaction to see more information. The top of the page has general information about the transaction. This is information that your business application included on the transaction. To see more details about how the tax was calculated, open a line item. Every time we calculate tax, we check if you're collecting tax where the transaction happened, if your customer is taxable, and if your product or service is taxable. For us to calculate tax, the answer to all three questions must be yes. Most unexpected tax amounts can be fixed by checking these three areas. For example, you may need to update where you collect tax, add an exempt customer, or edit your tax codes. We help you explore these three areas and more in our in-depth tutorials. If you made any changes to your account that affect how we calculate tax for a transaction, you need to recalculate the tax for these changes to take effect. Save the transaction or the changes will be lost. Give the reason and description for the updates you made. This information helps in the event of an audit. Depending on what you changed, you may need to recalculate tax on more than one transaction. For example, if you added California to where you collect tax, you should recalculate tax on all your California transactions. When you recalculate taxes in your Avalara account, the updated tax amounts do not automatically flow back to your business application. Instead, you need to manually make the updates so that the tax amounts match. This important step makes it easier to reconcile your sales information each month. To learn more, watch our series of videos on troubleshooting a tax amount.